CheongKwanJang has been the most trusted adaptogen herbal brand in South Korea for over 120 years. KORESELECT is a reliable brand designed based on long-standing tradition and know-how. Also, KORESELECT is a specially selected herbal blend of CheongKwanJang's time-tested herbal formula. It provides a solution that simplifies the management of key health concerns for modern people. KORESELECT is focused on adaptogen herbs among various herbal ingredients. Adaptogens are plants that help your body respond to stress, anxiety, fatigue, and overall well-being. Stressed out inside and out? Adaptogen can be the answer for you. Here are 3 adaptogen herb products from our KORESELECT. KORESELECT Ashwagandha is an adaptogen formula for regular stress relief. Indian ashwagandha and rhodiola rosea are major adaptogens that relieve stress and protect body from external stresses. Take care of your mental health using natural supplements instead of medicines or strenuous activities. 60 capsules are in a bottle, and you can take 2 capsules daily. KORESELECT is the time-tested solution for natural health. Now, it's time for you to make your own choice.